Hello out there, all you hot dogs and puppies. Sandwich Dad here today, doing the old combo sandwich of a grilled cheese BLT. Here we go. And here's what we'll need. 50 grams of white bread, I guess. Parquet, the margarine that thinks it's, you know. Some plastic shiz. Some bacon-style turkey that the missus requested I buy, doesn't like it, now I have to eat it. Iceberg lettuce, and a tomato. Well, first we've got to make 2 grilled cheeses. Put that plastic cheese on there and butter it up. Other side down in the pan, then butter the other side. Might as well get the fakey bacon in there, too. Flip them when they're golden. Remove your grilled cheeses from the pan and get a bit of mayo for both sides. Young man, we put the lettuce on both sides also. Then tomato on one side, fakey bacon on the other. Always pepper your tomatoes a bit. Boy, right. And then, of course, we combine. Cut diagonally and admire. To infinity and beyond. It's a Sandwich Dad.